So I have a Atco B17 Commodore. The problem is someone snapped the screw down there. There. And it should be one there as well. Because trying to set the blades, it won't go down. Well, that's been sharpened up before by the cross there. But why can we get the blade down? Let's have a look down here. So, can't set them. If we look again, there's a gap there. The gap. It's not on the bottom blade. I'm going to show you why. It won't go down any further, and someone snapped the bolt. There's the problem. This belt drive and chain, and if you throw this, that is tight, as you know. So you got the belt there. It's that, and that's why it wouldn't go down. So that's the reason why it snaps, and I forced it. Snap. So now that means I have to now strip it all completely down. It needs a new chain because it's been reground so much. I haven't got much meat on there, so it will cut. But I need to put a new chain on. Another petrol tank because the thread is gone. It's plastic. And you think to yourself, is it really worth doing? How much money am I going to get back on it? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye. What would you do yourself?